What's up, Smiley Gang? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper popper. Sorry that I haven't been uploading videos. For some reason, I just haven't been uploading videos ever since Christmas last year. And that is such a very long time. And I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, today we're going to be making a paper popper out of paper, and you're not going to need any scissors, you're just going to need paper. But if you want to make some label on the paper popper, you're going to have some Sharpies, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make the normal paper popper. But before we get into this, I want all of you guys to snap the like button and subscribe to join the Smiley Gang. And also when you subscribe, please hit the bell so you get notified when I make a new video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do with your paper is basically make it a paper airplane, but with two sides pointing away from each other. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just want to take this corner and fold it down here, then take this other corner and fold it down there too, and then do it to the other side. So then they're going to be pointing both away from each other. Okay, so then what you want to do is take this side of that fold and fold it over to the other side. So now it should look like this. Now you want to take this side and fold it over to this side. Then you're going to want to unfold it and take this corner and fold it to that crease. And then take the other corner and fold it to the crease as well. So then you should have this diamond shape. And then you just want to turn it over and fold this side to this side. Then you should have a paper popper. But real quickly, I'm going to test this thing out for y'all. So you want to hold this corner, and you want to hold it at the very, very bottom so that it'll actually work. Now, even for me, it might take a few attempts for it to actually pop, but let's try it. See, it works the first time. It makes kind of loud noise if you do it really hard, so let's try it again. It didn't make any pop noise, but at least it worked. Let's try it one more. See, it works the first time. It makes kind of loud noise if you do it really hard, so let's try it again. It didn't make any pop noise, but at least it worked. Let's try it one more time. Now it made a pretty loud noise. So this thing is pretty fun to prank your friends or something, wake them up for school or something. But yeah, let's go to the outro. But anyways, guys, I'm going to have to end this video here. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe to join the Smiley Gang. And also when you subscribe, please hit the bell so you get notified when I make a new video. But until next time, peace out, stay smiley.